Hello, traders. Welcome to episode 253 of TO with me, Mitre. Could be doing anything, but you're here, and for that, I'm quite grateful. Thanks so much. Tonight's patron night. We've got just a few requests that'll go in first, but you know, if you got them, just shout out, and we'll see what we can do. Right? Bitcoin. Looking at the daily right now. Why? Just so we can talk about the bearish engulfing candle that occurred, breaking and upsloping support. That's really it. We broke that. That sucks, man. Okay, close the day. New day right now. Just started, what, 3-4 hours ago? All right, 4 hour. Let's go on 4 hour. Again, more zoomed in, more candles. You can see if we had some head and shoulder, slanted head and shoulder continuation, bearish continuation. Okay, measure move down. Gonna put you at 28.46, right? But actually, that's the bear pole, bear flag. That's what I think, more so than a head and shoulders. But let's look at the 60-minute. That's what I kind of want to see, right? More candles. All right. Now I don't know if this will play out, but you can clearly see the bearish engulfing on the 1 hour. Okay, leg down, the flag, bear pole, bear flag. Let's see if we can break to the downside. Might just be making a larger flag. Could be. I don't know, but this is the way you would play it. 60-minute bear pole, bear flag measure move was at 31.30. I don't know if we'll get there. All right, so just sitting in bearish territory. You were a little oversold. You bounced the upside. Okay, a lot of volatility. I think this was squeezing out some shorts right here. My God, over leveraged shorts, breaking a critical horizontal line support back from September 14th, 2017. Candle body close, and this was the wick right there. So these are insanely critical supports. You break this, man, 3,000. There's really nothing left until 3,000. Okay, so consolidation phase lasts like a week, and it's going to be we just broke that, and here you go, man. You're just floating along after an impulse down on decently high volume on the sell-off, right? So consolidating with low volume, wouldn't be surprising at all to see us dump again. All right, that's it, man. That's your short term, more short term anyway. Okay. Alts have kind of followed. You know, you got XLM sitting at. I guess we just go to the. Why not, right? It's funny. Ripple hadn't really moved, right? 30.2 cents, right? It broke out of the downsloping channel, cracked this upsloping channel, and just kind of bouncing along. The trend line that was once resistance is now support, holding it for now. You got Litecoin, which really hasn't moved at all, right? With Bitcoin selling off, you had a little bit of selling, but hey, you break this area that you're currently at, coming on down to 20 bucks, 2050, 2060, real quick. All right, downsloping channel. Ethereum did the same thing. It broke out of its little bear flag, and it's kind of just going sideways because we know. Breaking 85.30, long way down. Okay, and we're gonna look at it more in depth in a moment. And you got XL in the US dollar, another downtrend, right? And soon to be breaching that 10.4 cent range. My God, man. Okay, real easy to get targets on this one. All right, we gotta. You see this wick here, the wick to wick. Once we break 10.1 cents. We'll have targets around 9.3 cents, 8.9 cents, and then 8.3 cents. Okay, down there. That's how you're gonna get your targets for if we break 10.1 cents. All right, which we have not yet. All right, that's it, dude. Sweet. So we're hitting the 886 retrace from the low to high right now. Okay. Let's take a look at chat. That's around the markets. This is your bigger coins. Sweet, man. Come back to Bitcoin on the 60-minute. All right. It's unfortunate, right? But not surprising, right? Bitcoin's in a bear trend. The preceding trend is extremely bearish. The continuation of the bear trend all started on November 14th when the selling pressure came in immensely, going on the 1 month anniversary of the dumpening. Okay, the beginning of the dumpening. All right. What's up, Nicholas Brabot? Patrick Briefcase, Iceberg, Jason, hello, Kang Logan, the 888 Lord, what's up, man? What's up, MK man? John Legend says Chiefs. Chiefs. All right, Chiefs. That's it, man. That's it. Wubba my Jello. Hello, man. Sam Easy. What now? We go below 3,000. Hello, 1,800. Yeah, well, we're not even below 3250 right now. That's why titles. If we break 3250, we've been there all day, kind of, right? Trying to break. We tried breaking it right here on this wick during the day stream. Just got rejected. Got rejected. All right. Look out, music's loud. Of course it is. Is this what happens when the song ends? When I'm trying to start the show. It's really annoying. Dumpster party, pump party. Which one is it, y'all? Which one is it? What's up, Mad Carl? Hey, Landcap, Moz, Zezerps, 1G Project. What's up, y'all? Long time no talk, 1G Project. Hey, you too, Philson shirt, man. Hey, Joey V, Shalon Peroni, Sir Newton. Hello. What's going on? Just hanging out. Just got done hanging out with patrons in the Discord. Once a week, we hang out together, and they want something, you know, they request something, we'll look at it before everything else. So that's about it. What's up, Elko? Coffee for Crypto, Erwin, Coffee for Crypto, man. What's up, dude? Coach K, Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. John Miller, Chaz Garcia, what's up, dude? Gary Payne, long time. How am I doing? I'm doing well, man. How are you doing? All right, got the chat. All right, so let's take a look at XRP. As we do, the big ones at the beginning. It's that easy. All right, so we had that downtrend, right? We kind of, you know, anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 up here. We finally broke it, but on no volume at all, and now we're just bouncing along the bottom, right? On the, you know, it's really the top of the channel, right? And you've just started forming negative momentum. All right, this thing's kind of just, it's like, you know, literally like Forrest Gump when he's running with the hat and the beard, and everyone's behind him. Everyone's waiting on Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin gonna do? Because if Bitcoin dumps, decides it wants to dump, guess where we're going? We're going down. Okay, the target's expected if Bitcoin dumps would be 28.2 cents. If Bitcoin wants to go to 3,000, there is a likelihood we could see 25 to 24 cents, which is actually 52-week lows. That's it, 52-week lows, man. All right, sweet. Yep, just kind of impulse down, upsloping consolidation, failing to break to higher highs, indicative of a bear flag, bearish price action for the most part. Okay, especially after such tremendous selling, it looks very bearish. That's it, man. It's just not good. Okay. We had that bullish divergence on the MACD from this low to this low, and we got probably upside, and from the high to low on Fibonacci, we retraced 38% of the way. Common retrace, moderate retrace. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple. Ethereum. Ethereum's still inside his channel like Bitcoin, right? So with anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top, choosing these anchor points carefully because of the heartline respect that we're getting. All right, candle body close, respect right there, and resistance right here. That's why we chose those anchor points. You can clearly see the flag that we had, the upsloping channel. We broke it, and now we're just bouncing off of a lot of rejection down here, right? That's pretty nice. Okay, rejecting prices below $84, $83.92, whatever. And why is that? Let's take a look way left so you can see. Well, even more left. Oh. There we go. If you look left, you can see some support. Look at the daily, whatever, doesn't matter. Hello? Oh, there we go. So this is currently what we're holding. Some candle body closes back from May of 2017. The wicks put you at $83. Couldn't break these wicks either. Some support here, some support, but cracking this, you can clearly see straight up, no consolidation, no support until $55, roughly 53, 58. Okay, so this right here in bearish markets will get taken out pretty fast. Okay, so remember, it's a dead zone between 82.39 and 53.58. Man, better be careful. All right, this is asking to get wrecked if Bitcoin dumps. Okay. Poor Ethereum, man. Hey, look, a daily bearish engulfing candle is confirmed, right? Confirmed just a few hours ago. Bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle. There's really a bullish engulfing into a bearish engulfing. That's testament to how bearish this market is. Look how far away we are from the 20-day moving average. 20-day moving average, $101. So freaking bearish, man. Okay, so remember, not holding this level should be pretty quick to run down to the $55 range. Okay, so well, we're here right now. We're holding, rejecting levels for now. Okay, long way to go until another daily close. Go at the 4 hour. Goodness, man. Goodness. This bear market continues. Unrelenting bearishness, right? Very little green days. Very little green candles for that matter, right? Always the lower highs. Always the lower lows. If this trend repeats itself, the lower lows would be down here, right? Yeah. Holy crap. A lot of support at 3,000 for sure. Sam Easy, yeah, man. But it seems 3250 is being stingy, is it not? It's holding up for now. Dumpster party is more fun. Nick Buttman, maybe. Thanks, Cool J, dude. Really appreciate that, man. Much love. You ate food and feel fat and tired. Don't fat shame yourself, Zed Zerbs. It's okay, man. Alright, you gotta eat, okay. Good evening, Real Mike 78. We are Kangs. Always Kangs here, dude. Yep. What's up, Martin? Martin S. Says, is it beer time, my friend? And his girlfriend Katie says, hello, Katie. Hello. Better be good to Martin. All right. Better be good to him because he's my boy. All right. I've got SYS coin up on one of my screens. Terrible. That's better. That's better. Probes doesn't expect it to hold. There you go. So, but Electronium Rich. Fibonacci, exactly. You missed me? Alex B, don't miss me anymore, man. I'm here, dude. I'm here. Alright. What's up, Jalen, man? Good work on the 888 ball. Okay. You know what we're working on now, dude, right? Did Jules ever get back with you, dude? Let me know. The chart looks really good upside down, Yanni, man. Yeah, let's take a look at the chart upside down. Here's Ethereum. Here's inverse Ethereum. Holy crap. Holy crap. Like getting that rejection up there, right? So. Huh. Alright. It gets confusing when you do it like that because these don't move. These don't also alternate flip over. So it's like, what? How does that work? It's like, how do you get positive momentum on move down, right? Anyway, but yeah, man, sorry to say, it is pretty bearish right now. So, Catherine Justice, did I say 55 Ethereum soon? I said if we can't hold this $83, $82 range, yes, 55 is really the next support. There's really nothing but straight lines up, a straight line up. From 55 to 83 or whatever, 82, whatever. What's up, Handy Rams? Good to see you, dude. Peter Pyle Morgan. Love the consistency. Amen. Love the consistency of your support, dude. Thank you. Arvo Beers in Brisbane. Watching the market tank. Timbone. Cheers, man. Oh, you're working on those Christmas graphics? Hey, man, running out of time, dude. Got to get them in. Quick, man. What's up, Buff Eyes On, man? Good to see you, dude. What's the score of the game, dude? Because someone asked me. Yeah. I'm just gonna look for myself, okay? Don't spoil it, okay, dude? Dang, dude, Chiefs. Nice. Holy crap, dude. Are they ruling it a touchdown or not? I'm confused. What's happening? This looks insane on Gamecast. All right. The touchdown may be incomplete. Perhaps was it to tie the game up, or was it just to make the score 28-21? I'm confused. What's up, Sequin, dude? Both feet in. Okay. So let's look at waves. I want you to see something. Let's zoom out real quick so you can see really what's happening right now. I mean, this is insane, dude. Okay, you see this, man? Do you see what happens? This thing's been on a tear. I mean, almost straight up. One pullback and then you run again. But look how we fibbed, okay? So though we have broken out, this run's been tremendous. From your high to your low, no flash crash. Come on, dude. From the high to low, or this low, whatever you want to do, we have retraced 62% of the way. It's a golden retrace. Even got a little bit above it, right? But might be having some sort of tweezer double top. But hey, man, looks great that we're continuing to run to the upside, but you are getting a little bit of the bearish divergence. Okay, I get it, man. Who cares in this bull run, man? Who even cares? Look, when we made our swing high, we even made from a high to a higher high. Some bearish divergence, very slight, but it's very real. It must be noted. Whether you take action on it or not, you note it, you jot it down, and show it. Same thing here, man. The high to the higher high, lower levels of relative strength, man. All right. Noted at the golden retrace, right? So you finally made it, man. And look where we pulled back initially, the 50% retrace before. Pulling back, holding above the 50 MA, and then you ran again, and you're just above that 62% retrace. Holy crap, man. All right. But a beautiful looking channel that we have, in fact, busted out of. Okay, jailbroke out. Waves, making waves. All right. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. It almost looks like it gapped up on my OBS. No, why does it look like that? It shouldn't look like that. Right? It's weird. I need 4K, man. I guess that's what I need. Thanks for the 160 people tuned in right now. Hope you're having a good Thursday. All right. Going for 2. What? Nuh-uh. Wide open. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Did the Chargers win, dude? Uh-uh. Oh my god. The Chargers won. Good god, man. I can't even believe it, dude. I can't even. Wow. 1 point, dude. A game of inches, right? That's insane. Waves reaching for the moon. Reaching for the golden retrace. Okay. I don't know how much higher you're going to go, but chances are probably not much higher. I mean, you're showing the weakness now. Hey, what else do we do? Look at the disparity in volume from the high to the higher high. Much lower levels of volume, too. Went for 2, dude. Is anyone a Chargers fan in here? Like a legit Chargers fan? That's congratulations if you are, man. That's awesome, dude. Okay. Very, very cool. But anyway, yep, you got the coinciding variables there. Add a golden retrace Fibonacci. That's it, man. Okay. Are you kidding me? Kidding me? King looking? Yeah, man. It's not, look, man, I don't know, going for 2. Does that mean that you don't care? I mean, you don't believe in your team enough to win in overtime? Or do you just want to get it over with because you think you can win right now? We saw teams in college football that went for it multiple times and failed when they just got back to tie, right? Giants fan? Good one, dude, good one. All right, let's go to Quantum real quick. That was another request from Patreon. Okay, so we broke the downtrend. Good stuff, man, but let's zoom in and really take a look at what happened. Okay. So we had that RSI, bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Anchor point 1 and 2 on the top side, 1 and 2 and 3 down here. Okay, why do we like that? Look at the heart line respect we're getting on the channel. Beautiful. And what do? We broke out on very high levels of volume. We ran up it at 50% retrace. Okay, common retrace. And pulled back. So we're within the parameters of our retrace zone, our common retrace zone. And so now what are we doing on the breakout? We're back testing that downsloping trend line. That was once a resistance, it is now support. Time and time again we see that, right? So lots of volume came in right there. Great, man. But overall, remember what's going on. Dumpster fire, man. Just selling off all, like, very close to all-time lows, right? Can't get it together. Even if you break out of a very nice, well-respected equidistant channel, you still sell off, right? You sell off, but you don't make. What we did was from the low to high, we had a fib extension. The 1272 is what we literally bounced off of. So that's what you're looking for, fib extension with the divergence. We actually double bottomed and then broke to the upside. All right, so whatever, man. Sweet. And let's go to TSX, Toronto Stock Exchange. Let's look at it, man. Okay, let's go to the daily here. Hey, we've actually got historical data because it's a, you know, on this, it's a index, right? First off, I mean, we could, if we want to look at the weekly, we can. So you can see the channel and all the historical bullish trend in all its beauty, all its glory, right? Upsloping channel. But what have we done recently? A lot of price divergence, right? That there's two diverging trend lines signifying problems with supply and demand, and the 3 touch points on both sides. That's Bulkowski, man. He wants those 3 touch points on both sides for the validity, and we're getting it. And something fantastic going on. So impulse up, you're broadening top. That's the pattern. That's a bullish continuation pattern, and you're at the very bottom of the broadening top. And what are you doing? You got extreme levels of bullish divergence. Look low, lower low, actual lowest low, with lower levels of negative momentum and higher levels of relative strength. So a couple coinciding variables, right? Wonderful, man, wonderful. S&P and NASDAQ futures are down, MK. Yeah, man, up, down market right now. Up, down, okay. So, what could you do? Like, strategize this. If you like the daily divergence, you liked that we were at the lowest area, this is one of your best areas of entry for this position, for trading a broadening top. This is it, man. All right.
Clinking beer mugs, clinking beer mugs, alien monster, clinking beer mugs, clinking beer mugs.
Alien Monster, thanks so much for the 888, the Kang Logan contribution. Much love, dude. All right. So, these are the best areas of entry. The bottom trend line of the patterns, especially when you have all this divergence on both oscillators, that's wonderful. So, if one was to take a position in this, pretty simple, man. It's like bread and butter, Bulkowski stuff. All right. So there are ways to think about this, okay? So if we're pretty much double bottoming off the bottom of a bullish continuation pattern, what's our common retrace, right? From the swing high, our most previous swing high to swing low, could be looking for 15,596, right? Easy, simple, like, and we could go much higher too. We could go higher, but we have reason to believe on a daily, very significant time scale that we could be making moves to the upside. That's it. 618 would also be a formidable level to at least move a stop up. One doesn't have to exit completely. One can maybe shave some off if they want to, or just move the stop up slightly below that area. So in case we, the trade fails or we don't go any higher in this pattern, which would not be good, because when you get those failures to break to that trend line again, we call that, well, Wilkowski calls that partial rise. At that point, you have an extremely high chance to break out bearishly. So that's why you've got great areas of entry down here, just saying, based on everything we see. Okay, extremely bullish trend. You have a bullish continuation pattern. You're showing bullish divergence on both oscillators. Those are coinciding variables. Perfect for some sort of swing trader, right? 1G project, man. Let's make it run like we did with BCE, right? The BCE falling wedge, man. 618. Kings, dude. Kings. Purpose is true, man. The Chargers kicker is a little shaky. Are you trying to passive aggressively troll me, man? Going back to 2000 again, dude. S&P has been hovering way too much on that trend line that extends all the way back to February 2016. So I think it'll hold. Spider-Man. Well, we're working on MK. We're working on that bearish engulfing candle. We got half the month left on the monthly, right? The monthly chart. If all things stay kind of the same where we are now, we will be engulfing bearishly again. Second time in 3 months, dude. When over the course of like 6-8 years, we've only seen a handful of bearish engulfing candles, really, yeah, on a monthly time scale. So, but yeah, we can look at it. Okay. Whew. That's right, Frizzy boy. Well, we know crypto isn't investing. Crypto is completely a gamble in every way. All right. There's no fundamentals besides white papers and the team, the project. Okay. They don't make money. Okay. Try to be Kangs. 1G project Kangs. Give me the S&P 500. Okay, man. So zooming in on a daily time scale, we got that, we had a huge rally. Then the volatility came to be. We started forming that consolidation. The consolidation that is upsloping. All right. Exhaustion. But we're just at the bottom of the channel, can't find much demand, right? Especially can't even come close to threatening the all-time highs, can we? We run up, we fail, we break down. Buy wall. You run up, you fail again. You've failed 3 times now, right? 1, 2, 3 times. Got very, very close to breaking out of this upsloping channel. Oh my God, man, we did, and then we just pulled back one day. Yeah, right now, man, just going sideways. Or what happened? What's the most recent thing that has occurred? The impulse down, right? This move down with sideways consolidation, right? So the impulse is kind of ruling this right now. So if we aren't going to rally, which I love the bullish pin bar here. That's a nice little reversal pattern, but we gapped up, rallied at the beginning of the day, and then all day we sold off until we rallied right here. at 26.35 that day. So the rally we got was not there. It was inexistent. From the bullish pin bar, you normally want to get some price action to the upside to really show this thing's for real. We've seen nothing but sell-offs and indecision since the bullish reversal pattern, right? Now, I mean, look, man, you've been showing the bullish divergence, okay? We got it, 1, 2, 3, triple MACD bullish divergence, right? Broke to the upside, but this is to the extent of how high we went. That was it. Nothing. Gapped up, indecision, doji, huge sell-off, right? That's what happens. Gaps fill all the time. You have 3 types of gaps in the stock market. This is just your common everyday gap that normally gets filled. 70% chance plus of getting filled, right? So, whatever, man. Yeah, okay. I don't know if it's going to hold, especially how we have the impulse down and this price action after the impulse. Okay. As we talked about, man, this blue right here, this is on the monthly, your 1 month bearish engulfing candle. Let's go back that monthly. People have seen it before, right? Who cares? There's that nasty red candle, all right? Nasty red candle. What else went along with the nasty red bearish engulfing candle? Extremely bad bearish divergence on the MACD and the RSI. Okay, and we have 2 different types of fibs, right? We went for the confluence, all right? Our first fib was the low say March 2nd, 2009, all the way up to all-time highs. Okay, we haven't even hit a 23% retrace yet, okay? But we did do from February of 2016 to all-time highs to find out where the confluence levels were. We have pretty much 3 of them. Okay, the first one's around 2370, 2400. That seems reasonable as a target. But then you've got another confluence zone at 2049 to 2070, and then 1504 to 1539. Okay, so, and that's all the way down to the 200-month moving average. And guess what? That's your next levels of support, the double top from the global financial crisis and the dot-com crash. But getting down there, man, it would have to be, this market would have to be devastated, and I don't see how that's going to happen. But, I mean, look at the run we've been on. We're at the tail end of a 10-year long bull trend, right? With this going on, and we've seen this before, right? With the 2 coinciding variables, with the MACD and RSI, 2000 and 2007, right? You had them both here, but look how much crazier it is here, all right? Much crazier. I mean, just we had the run up, and then we broke down, high spike and negative, really the highest spike of volatility we'd ever seen on the stock market, and then we rallied to a 100-day long correction, which is average, broke to the upside, made a higher high, a barely higher high, and then showed extremely lower levels of positive momentum. It's bad, man. And also, I know, look, man, on the run up, look what's happened. We've been making higher highs on price, but lower levels of volume. That's also very bearish, man. You've got all these things on the most significant time scale, screaming bearish. Bearish, bearish, bearish. All right. Twitter, man, right? So, definitely food for thought on the stock market. You've had 10 years to make money on this market. It's not going to be as easy, especially after this monthly stuff we've seen. All right. We're bearishly engulfing right now. Give it another 2 weeks and we'll see where we're at. But if all things stay the same until then, yeah, bearish engulfing 2 out of 3 months, which is very, very rare. We don't see that. I don't even know if we've ever seen that, especially in this 10-year long uptrend. 2 bearish engulfing candles in 3 months. Sure thing, came in. Holy crap. Online poker was banned? What? Nah. Yeah, right. Okay. So 177 people here. Feels like there's like 5 people here in chat. So, all right. Been live for 40 minutes. Let's go back to Bitcoin, beginning to turn green just a little bit. Right. All right. So anyway, down sloping channel, very well respected everywhere, and we finally broke the upsloping channel within the downtrend. Remember the lower high as expressed, exclaimed, very bearish. Okay, I'm sorry. When you run up, break down, and then make the lower high and clearly show the rejection from a high to low at the time was a 50% retrace. Okay, we got that, and that's a double top. That's bad on a shorter time scale. Since then, that's it, man. We've been selling off. All right. So yeah, the green's coming right now. All right. If we were looking at some sort of a 60-minute bear pull bear flag, you're coming maybe to back test. We broke it, right? We had this going on the day stream. Let's just extend this out a little bit. Very tough to see because of this thing. So yep, pumping. Hey, probes, man, it's coming to fruition, right? So sweet, man. Okay, sweet. Trying to bullishly engulf. About 10 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Just make an adjustment. The flag could be getting larger, but you know, you had that bearish engulfing candle, the 2 very large red candles down. Look at the bearish convergence. Okay. The low on price, lower low on price, higher levels of negative momentum. Same thing on the RSI, lower levels of strength, but you got oversold, and now you're beginning to just float around. All this right here is the, oops, sorry. All you're doing right here, that is just a bunch of crappy chop. After this is the main thing, the impulse and the chop. The chop is crap for now, all right? Eventually, once this thing matures, its maturation process is complete, the flag, eventually we could see another leg down, right? Sweet. The amazing Bitcoin, yeah, right. Been so amazing, right? All right. Well, I've got to get up at 6 a.m. No, I have to get up before 6 to drive to Andalusia because I got to go to that funeral tomorrow. So getting off now, off stream. Wish me well. Never going to be fun burying, you know, kin and family. So I'll be back tomorrow. Really appreciate y'all understanding, cutting this a little short. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.